Oh.
Which is the house?
You genius, mate.
If I work on the 20 hours per week,
What the fuck, idiot?
my God. So dangerous, man, huh?
Yeah.
No, look at all.
No, you just come out. Hey, look, another one. Another fucking idiot. Fuck's sake. Ah, I'll get that Scott. Yeah.
Mate, I had my lights and sirens on, you blind fuck.
I didn't hear you.
You didn't hear me. Give me your license, you cockhead.
Hey! With something for him. Perhaps was doing a sign up, so I'll try and listen to that at the same time.
Wow.
And phone has been...
Sorry, fucking idiot parked in the middle of the fucking road. That was
Great, mate.
nice.
So he would pay through till today, so I wanted to get rid of that.
Oh, that's good. Because otherwise he would have. Oh, good job, mate. Just cutting fuck in front of me, you piece of shit. Pick a lane.
Well, I messaged my other wanker who was supposed to move out on Saturday,
Yeah.
and he's now overdue.
Oh, yeah, I did hear you blamed me, but I didn't. Oh, good job. That's not your fucking lane, you twat. Oh my god, do you know how lanes work? No!
I don't really want to do the jump over that. What you doing? You just straight
It's
ahead?
one way, one way!
Where are you going? One where?
Oh my god, you idiot.
Where the fuck are you going? It's one where?
When someone, oh wow, wow, okay. That's one way to get into the turning lane. Jesus fucking Christ, mate. He's just completely mounted the curb and driven down the island to get to the turning lane.
No.
Yeah. Oh my god, fucking hell. What the hell? Oh.
This guy's a fucking clown.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Do you think you can get in?
fucking idiot!
Did you leave your indicator on, or you want to change lanes? The fuck you doing?
Mum and Dad.
Yeah, the accelerator's the one on the right. Jesus Christ, what the fuck have I got here? Oh, fuck me. Shit. Camera running? God, I can see. That's some good work, people. How many fucking cars you just want to smash into each other? Right. Yeah, good luck getting through there. You ain't moving. Trade Lang. Put in these cycleways, taking a lane off traffic so it's congested as hell all the time. Put cycle lanes in and traffic lights for them, but the cyclists don't give a fuck and just go straight through a red light. So, another one. Oh, another cyclist, she's running the red light too. Yep. Jesus. Fucking wanker. What a prick. Absolute prick.
Charlie,
This dumb bitch over here. Riding a bike on a footpath is illegal for an adult. She hasn't got a helmet and she's texting on the phone while doing it.
Like I said, I want you to define what traditional house is.
No. You can't overtalk me. That's how we're done. We don't do that.
What an asswipe.
I said traditional housewife. You said no, not traditional housewife. All right.
They're not allowed. Yeah, you can fuck around.
I'm asking. You said you attract weak men. He was weak, right?
Anytime we got around, he did.
Good job. Fucking Ranger drivers, they come down, jump into the exit lane to try and gain a spot, and then try and force their way in. And when you don't just slam the brakes on and bend over and bow down and let them in, oh, they get the shits and give you the finger. What a wanker. Stop fucking around. Go. Taxi will probably try it too. The fuck are you doing? You fucking idiot. What a dickhead. What an absolute dickhead. Plenty of time to change lanes earlier and decides just to go up there and cut the van off. Got jammed by... Whoa, the fuck are you doing? You fucking moron.
Someone's gonna go over. We didn't know how.
Oh my... Yeah, well done. Dickhead. Fucking dumb bitch.
On Micah Street. In 2.8 kilometers, at the roundabout
I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull. I'm a wanker.
choice. So who is your favorite genius? James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the Wanker Club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a elbow bub. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. Wankers once used mobile phones, but now that's sort of changing. And yobs once lived in cottage homes. Ain't social change amazing? If a yob and wanker want a girl, the wanker guy will get her. Both of them are equally ugly. The wanker hides it better. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a
Go on, you stupid Camry driver. No fucking ID, no indicators, no nothing.
Project. Talk to Network Architectural, the exclusive Australian
There it is.
distributor of
It is on its side.
Alcoholic NC, the non-combustible
How the fuck do you do that in a straight line?
architectural.com.au.
It's running the Australian way.
Unbelievable.
Special song.
Scotty Jones will be calling in from the Winter Olympics in Beijing as well, so looking forward to all of that. And we're going global as well. Not only are we going to
Final. Edgerton first won their semi-final a short time ago. 6-3, 7-6. You can watch all the action on
Nice
Night
cutting
live
corner.
Sports.
Beautiful.
Also stream it live on Night.
That was good teaching. It's nice and legal. Not. What's going on here? He's got the winch out. He's got the winch out. He's dragging the shitbox off the road. Yeah, there's been a big prank. He's run up someone's ass.
An understanding approach with legal expertise. Provide the representation and results that you
Bloody retard!
If you're in need of advice regarding a legal
They're not being watched. No, I'm not being watched. Let's go this way. What the fuck are you doing? You're doing a fucking U-turn in the middle of the road. You're doing it over a double line. That's pretty clever.
Is this true?
Yes, it's true. This man has no dick.
What the heck is he doing? Put your helmet on, mate. Now, what about your stupid mask and put your helmet on? My goodness. Safety first.
This is what happens when a cat dog doesn't like a rear wiper.